Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this eye-popping neon outfits in a dress to impress. So if you're ready to light up the runway with a bold neon glow, in this tutorial I'll show you how you can create neon outfits that are bright, eye-catching, and guaranteed to steal the spotlight. So basically in here, what you need to do is just find the outfits or use any outfits that you want for the theme. You can choose any outfits. Let's say I'm going to wear this top right here, and then what you need to do is just change the color that pops and you think might catch the attention. So let's say I'm going to go with this green colors in here. I think this one, and then you can just click on this plus icon, and now you can change the materials into this one, neon. And as you guys can see now, my outfits will glow just like a neon like this, and it's also applied to bottom. So let's say I'm going to wear this skirt right here. Okay, this one, and you can also change the color first. Let's say I'm going to go with yellow, and now you can also change the material into neon, and just like this, now your outfits will pop like a neon. And that's it. So guys, that's all for me. That's how you can create a neon outfits in DTI. Thank you so much for watching. Now you can comment your favorite neon color and let's glow up together. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap on the thanks button for more dress to impress outfit hacks, fashion ideas, and even updates. Bye!